and welcome to my channel. My name is Magdala, and today we're gonna be doing mini twist in my hair. This is everything I have. So I have combs, some clips. This is the hair I'm using. It is the Afro Kinky something. This is 10-inch. I think I might cut it. I don't know. We'll see. A twisting gel. This is the black castor oil. A pair of scissors and a mirror. This is the 3-way mirror. You can find this on Amazon. This is like truly helpful if you do your own hair.
Mirror up, you just extend them back and hook it onto a door, and voila. And as you can see, my hair is looking like a mess, but I just washed it and did a hair mask. So if you'd like to see that, you should check out my last video. So guys, I lost some footage and show you how I traced my hair, but basically I just traced my hair in half, and then I took the back half and split it in two, and then I went from there. So as you can see, I'm just twisting. I wish I went that fast, but I sped up that video. This is what the back was looking like, and I did admit to doing the back a little bigger than I would like. I was so happy to actually made it past the first half, because by that time I was asking myself, should I quit? Okay, because I was tired. Anyway, so I tried to get the part as perfect as possible, but I just went ahead and did what I could, because honestly most of it will be hidden. So at that part I was a little more than halfway done. So I was super excited. This is me showing you how I did cut the hair to get the perfect portion. This part is sped up, but if you want, you can either slow it down, or I have a slower part in the next few minutes. Also, please, if you haven't done so, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post new content like this. As you can see, I'm just going ahead and twisting it. That part was a little bit big, but when I realized that, I was just like, I'm not starting over. At that point, it was all about survival. It was all about when can I finish, because I had to go to work the next day, and I was not going to work with half of my hair done. So for this next part, I decided to get a little close and personal with you guys. So I cut the hair in two, and then after that I just took one piece and I basically just pulled the ends so it could be straighter and it looks more like my hair. I just pulled that and make sure the hair there's no knot, and then I took one half and split it. And once I was done, I make sure it was the length that I wanted. So to braid this, I make sure I didn't take none of my edges, and I braided like it was my hair. Is instead of braiding it under like you usually do a braid, I went over. This just ensured that it did look knotless without having to insert hair as I go. So I'm just trying to get the bottom as tight as I can. It is a little bit hard to do the top of your hair like that, so that's why you'll see me, as soon as I have a good hold, I'll switch it so it can be more comfortable. I just braided the bottom portion until I felt like I had a good grip and I could start twisting. once I was ready to start twisting, I make sure I had two, and I add the twisting gel as needed, and I went ahead and start twisting. So I was doing the rope method, to where you start twisting, and every couple of twists you actually twist the other part in your hand, and you keep going. This just ensure that the hair is not too tight, but the twists look very natural. Slowed down version where I show you exactly how I grip the hair and how I was able to start. Again, I just braided it over instead of under, so it could look as knotless as possible, like, you know, the twist was coming from my own hair. Again, take your time with it, because like I said, when you on top of your head, it can be a little hard to grip it like you want, but once you take your time, you'll get the hang of it. Once you feel like you have a comfortable enough grip, I take the smaller piece and I connected it to one of the bigger ones, and I just started twisting. As you can see, I'm twisting my hair into the extension, and I'm adding the twisting gel as needed, not a lot, just a little bit to get the twist going. And again, I'm doing the rope method, so I'm twisting the hair every couple of twists to get that seamless twist that I want. While you're watching me finish that twist, I just want to say thank you for subscribing to my channel, for liking, commenting. Your support means so much to me. Please don't forget to follow me on Instagram and TikTok. The last braid I had to do, so I was super excited. Let me know, what do you think? Would you do this on your hair? I honestly think I will do it again, but next time much smaller and a little longer. So let me know what you think. This hairstyle took me about 6 to 8 hours to complete. That includes all the break I took. Again, thank you so much for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell. This is what it looks like all done. I was super excited, even though I don't look like it. This is some of the style I did with the hair. Thanks for watching.